Alright, what's up guys? So I'm going to do an unboxing video on the light bar setup I went with. And that way you guys know for yourself if you're looking for it. And then I'll also do a video on the install. Probably not as I'm installing it because I'm just not big on trying to change the camera angle all around, especially when it's hot as hell lately. But I'll do a video kind of walking around as what I did to install it. After the fact, so hopefully going to get to that tomorrow. But I ordered a 42-inch light bar, a curved one, and I got it off eBay. A lot of people have been having good results from what I've seen, so I will let you guys know. It only cost me $42 and change shipped, and the ratings were good on it, so we're going to see. There you guys can see it. It's actually pretty well crafted, just like the ones I've seen in the parts store and some of the more expensive ones I've seen. It looks pretty much similar, so we'll see how the LEDs are. But you can see the curve. I wanted the curve. I don't like the straight. I wanted the curve because it goes with the body, I believe. It goes with the body lines on the roof and everything a little bit better, in my opinion, with the windshield and all that. So that's that. You just got the connections right here where you're going to splice it right into. Let's see what it comes with. It looks like it comes with the hardware here. Just comes with 2 brackets. I'm not even gonna open this up because it's all loose in here, but bolts and brackets. You can see it right there. I'll put a link on the one I bought, and I'll see if I can get a link down below if YouTube will let me do it. Comes with instructions, which is actually, I mean, you usually get stuff off of eBay or anywhere, even hell, even some nice shops don't even fucking have instructions anymore, which pissed me off. I believe everything should come with instructions, whether or not they assume someone's got it or not, because guess what? There's people there that haven't done it. And I just believe in people having instructions, or at least a downloadable link that's not gonna take you fucking 40 hours to find. But here's the wiring. Now, the only thing I didn't get with it, which I was hoping, was one I did for my father with him on his Jeep. He got a pretty cool one that had a remote, and he was able to like strobe and do different stuff with it. So I don't think this one will, but that's all right. It'll do what I need it to. So you basically just have, you know, your fuse block, everything here, all your wiring plugged in. It looks like you have your little switch on and off. So this will be pretty sweet. I'm excited. We'll see how it does. If it sucks, I'll let you guys know if it's, you know, a piece of shit or not. The ratings were pretty decent. And it came shipped very well. And it gets a big bonus for me for having fucking instructions. So, yeah, I'll do a video hopefully in a couple days. Stay tuned. I'm hoping I can get to it and get this sucker on this weekend, because I think it's going to look pretty sweet. Now, I will show you right now, too, the brackets I use. Now, the brackets I use, there's another guy that did this on the RD1 forum or Facebook page and had good results with it. So he used a Silverado GMC, everything around that year, 99 to 2006. Remember that. And I'll try to put that in the link too. But they're brackets, and he said that you just had to bend them a little bit more and bolt them right in. So they look pretty sweet. I think they're going to work really well. I'll put pictures of that. It comes with little gaskets. And then right here, and you even got a little GS for whatever their brand is. I'll have to look up their brand again. But that's pretty sweet. More gaskets. And there you go. And the idea is they're going in the door frame. You bolt them up. You're going to have to put something there like some weather stripping, sealant, and different stuff to kind of help from rust. That's my, or at least up here in South Dakota. And they're basically going to go on your door right up here and then go right above your windshield at the top. So that's what I'm hoping. Stay tuned for that. We will, or I will have a video on that hopefully Friday. I got a busy day tomorrow, so I'm hoping Friday or Saturday. All right, so that's the light bar, and I'll try to put the information down in the link below for you. And this should be a good setup. from what I've learned and seen. But you guys know me. I'm always down to try everything for myself before I officially say. And that's why I've always loved making these videos, because I've officially tried it. And I will tell you if I did something wrong. Like if you've seen my pictures on Facebook or Instagram, I think I put those toe brackets on wrong. I put them on backwards. They seem to work, but I'm pretty sure I put them on backwards. So I got to flip them so that way I have more room for adjustment for the toe. I don't feel I need it just because I have the adjustable toe arms, but it makes more sense in case, you know, things in the future. Suspension likes to slowly kind of, you know, move and adjust, and you got to redo it over time. So once bushings and things wear out. So yeah, but I'll put that stuff down in the link below, and that's it, guys. I'll have a video about it soon.